Steve and Lonnie Williams from Albuquerque, New Mexico. I understand that you're fairly new to sailing, and this is certainly your first charter down in the British Virgin Islands during the Novice to Captain program. Tell us how the week went for you.
You know, it was a spectacular experience. SailTime has just been wonderful overall. It's given us an opportunity to fulfill a dream and get into sailing. And even though we took all of our courses and have been actively sailing, all I can do is tell you that it doesn't even begin to prepare you for the actual event of coming out and learning. And being down here, I think, and I don't know if you agree, Lonnie, but being down here with the whole SailTime group has given us not only confidence, but so many tips, so much navigation, and I know I've just learned thousands of things. It's been incredible. How about you, dear?
Well, this has been our first time, but it's absolutely not going to be our last. It was a lot of fun. We enjoyed doing it with the group. We enjoyed having looseness of the sail to kind of go where we want, but yet have an itinerary and chart out our courses and such. And with such a wonderful group of people, and everybody was very supportive, lended help when we needed it, or, you know, let us try it on our own. It was great. We very much enjoyed this.
Yeah. Everything happens good at a low speed.
And low winds.
On the riverside, I'm taking life like a big long ride. You stay on your side and I'll stay on mine.
On the back.
You take what you want and I'll take the sunshine.
Hello, Admiral.
And how was our day?
Our day was absolutely splendid. To be topped off by a gin and tonic of the finest sort.
Very good.
We learned a lot with Mr. Blubler from helping us with sail trim, and we had a great day. My
Awesome.
wife did a good job of docking.
Very. If you hadn't been so early on in the competition, you probably would have been right up there. But I think third place minimum.
Excellent.
Well, we had some people make some toughies, you know. And that's, Steve, Lonnie, would you encourage other new sailors to get involved with a program like this at SailTime and Novice to Captain?
Absolutely. Our reason for doing the Novice to Captain is so that we could charter boats, bareboats, and so it is giving us the opportunity to do this with confidence and take other friends out and not kill them. So I would encourage this with anybody to do this. In fact, they need the experience. And what a fast way to learn sailing. We've done this in less than a year.